Hi, Dr. Kevin Zorn, Founder Director of BPH Canada, to talk today about who should be looking at Contino. What is Contino? So Contino is really a device. It's a small, simple urethral insert that's put in to help men to regain rapidly urinary control, bladder function. So most often, men with stress urinary incontinence have tried many other types of techniques, be it Kegel exercises, pelvic floor physiotherapy, even Cunningham clamps, and have continued to leak. They're using diapers, they're using pads, they're using other types of briefs, and they're really eager to look at something else that's going to help improve their quality of life and be proactive in their healthcare outside of getting another surgery. So really, this is a small, simple device that's really should be considered for those willing and exploring other alternatives to a rapid control of urinary leakage. So to learn more, contact mycontino.com. It's a Canadian-based company, or contact our office to learn more and schedule an appointment.